First thing we're going to do is take the roof off. So next up, let's get these mirrors off. So, you see how loose this is? We decided we better do one side at a time. Now we're going to drape this over the side and do up all these Velcro straps. So as you can tell, we're going to have a weird little gap here, but that's due to the way we mounted our whip lights. So you may not have that gap with yours. So next we're going to put our mirror back on. Next, we're going to drape the back window over the top and we're going to secure it. So now we gotta drill some holes and put in some push pins. However, I'm not very good at keeping the drill straight, so I'm gonna let my husband drill the holes. Now all we have to do is get the roof back on and show you how it all looks. We'll put a link in the description below for everything we used in this video. And I am super excited to go try these windows out. What do you guys think?